Teacups, what's good? Welcome back to my channel, Cooking with Tea. If any of you guys were wondering what you're gonna be making for your dinner date night on Valentine's night, guess what? I'm gonna teach you guys how to get straight to the point and get down and dirty, okay? With that being said, we're gonna be making a curry seafood boil. The recipe is gonna be down below in the deets, but before we get started, make sure you guys give me a thumbs up, tap in with me on Instagram, and subscribe to my channel. Let's get into it. Okay, so I have a bunch of ingredients out here. The recipe is gonna be down below in the deets, but I just wanna show you guys. I have some onions, I have some corn, I have some potatoes that have been quartered, I have some bell pepper, I have lemongrass, basil, some kombu, some cilantro. I have some prawns here, head on and all, okay? We have some ginger, we have habanero, Thai chili, we have some dried chilies there. I have a little bit of curry blend. This is my secret curry powder blend. Feel free to use whatever curry that you like to do. And we have some fish sauce we're gonna be throwing in here, some coconut milk, veggie broth. We have miso paste, and other good stuff. Let's just get into it. Let me show y'all what we're about to get into. So, I'm gonna take a pepper, and I'm gonna cut my pepper down. Remove the seed pod and all that good stuff. So we're gonna move this part out and we're just gonna slice this and dice this. So I'm gonna continue to chop all of our bell peppers and BRB. Now that the bell peppers are all chopped up, just gonna take our onions and we're gonna dice them. All right, onions, peppers, finito. Those are gonna hang out in that corner there. So I'm gonna get into my garlic. Gonna smash down on it. Simple garlic procedure. And I'm gonna chop it up and we'll get into all the other things. Okay, so garlic, onions, bell peppers are all chopped up. I'm gonna take some ginger and I'm just gonna slice it because this is gonna go in the vibes. Next, I'm gonna take our corn and I'm just going to cut little tiny sections off. Potatoes are already cut. We have this, we have that. Everything is good to go. We're just gonna go straight over to the stove. So I'm getting my pot hot here and I'm just gonna add a little bit of olive oil. Then I'm gonna bloom my spices. If you guys are good, maybe I'll give you guys my secret curry spice recipe. With that, I'm gonna add some ginger. Get that nice and bloom. It smells amazing so far. Get that ginger going. Then I'm gonna add my onions and my bell peppers. Get all those veggies all curry flavored. I'm gonna leave this on for a minute until it sweats down and gets all nice. So now that I've cooked this down a bit and it smells so good, oh my gosh, wow. I'm gonna add our potatoes in. And I'm gonna add our lemongrass and let that hang out like this. Then I'm gonna cover it with a lid. Now that the potatoes have been steaming for like 5 minutes, I'm gonna go ahead and pour a little bit of veggie stock into the bottom of this, just so the potatoes are covered. And I'm gonna boil this for another 5 minutes. Now that my camera has gotten a facial, potatoes are boiling. At this point, I'm gonna add a little bit of miso. I know this is like not traditional. I'm gonna start to add my coconut milk. This just smells incredible. Okay, this just smells way too good. I add all my chilies. I'm gonna add a habanero. I'm gonna add a few Thai chilies. And I'm also going to be adding some dried chilies. Yes, did I mention that this was spicy? So I'm just gonna let that steep in there while this coconut mix reduces. I forgot to add my curry paste. So I'm just gonna add like 2 big old tablespoons in there. I'm just gonna let that mix up in there. So while we're here at this point, I'm gonna go ahead and add my kombu in there. Let that steep up in there. The potatoes are pretty soft now. I'm gonna add our corn into the mix. Let that cook down too. So now that the corn is in here, I've reduced it a little bit longer. I'm gonna cook it for 10 more minutes. All right, y'all, so as you can see, it reduced and the consistency of the curry is a lot thicker and it smells incredible in here. I'm gonna start to add our shrimp. Make sure I get them all up in there, you know what I'm saying? Submerged. Just wanna make sure that they're under the liquid. Okay, you guys, so this is donezo. I'm gonna start to pick out all those aromatics that are not gonna be pleasant to bite into, such as that kombu, my lemongrass. So I'm gonna dig through this and take all of the aromatics out, and I'll be right back. Wow, teacups. Are y'all ready? This is next level. Where the money reside, where the money reside, where the money reside, where the money reside. All right, so obviously you're gonna get a piece of corn or 2 pieces of corn. You're gonna have your beautiful prawns, potatoes. Love that for us. Next, now that we're getting down and dirty. Oh, what I should have done was this. My bad. Forgot to do that part. Adding some fish sauce in there. I'm gonna add a little bit more to mine. Ooh. Wow, now we are living. I'm gonna take some of this broth and pop it on top. Some broth. I always have microgreens on deck, so I'm gonna add some microgreens. All right, guys, curry seafood boil. Curry seafood boil, curry seafood boil, curry seafood boil, curry seafood boil, curry seafood boil. Here we are. Here we are. Here we are. Before y'all get dirty, make sure you guys put some gloves on. We first gonna take a bite of this corn. I'm so hungry. Potato. Gonna get this little piece of corn sopped up, and then just Y'all need to be seeing this. Just dip that corn in there. Yeah. Here go that head I was talking about. Best part. So good. So good, y'all. Okay, so this is the easiest way to get down and dirty on Valentine's night. Ooh. Check this out, y'all. Get that shrimp. Dip 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 that shrimp. Period. So good. I'm enjoying this way too much right now in front of y'all. So that being said, I'm about to peace out. Wait a minute, actually, I lied. I lied to y'all because right when I was going off, I was like, I put lime on it. So don't forget to do this. Cause that right there is just going, it's gonna do it. Let me know what you guys think about this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I hope you guys enjoyed the recipe. Tap below in the comments. Let me know what's going on with y'all, how y'all feel about it. If you guys have any questions. And yeah, that's it. If you guys do decide to make this though, take a photo, use the hashtag cookinwithtee, and tag me on Instagram at cheftiong. And until next time, peace, love, and blessings.